The vocabulary word we are exploring now is maintenance. Maintenance. Imagine a car that breaks down because it wasn't serviced, or a garden that turns into weeds when ignored. That's where maintenance comes in. It's the ongoing care or work needed to keep something running, functioning, or in good shape. Meaning of maintenance. Maintenance refers to the process of preserving something in good condition through regular care, repair, or attention. Examples: the elevator is closed for routine maintenance. Proper maintenance extends the life of your appliances. The company hired a crew for building maintenance. Short story. Raj was in charge of maintenance at a busy hospital. Every night, when the halls quieted down, he checked equipment, fixed leaks, and ensured systems ran smoothly. Most people didn't notice him, but without his care, surgeries would be delayed, lights would fail, and machines would stop. One evening, the power flickered during an emergency. Raj had already tested the backup system. It kicked in instantly, saving lives. That night, doctors thanked him, a silent hero powered by consistent maintenance.